I am a sinner who has been looked upon by the Lord. That's my favorite quote by Pope Francis. You think about how the Lord looks upon his creation. So he creates the birds of the air, the fish in the sea. He looks upon it, says it is good. Looks upon the human person, it is very good. He looks at people who are crippled, who can't walk, who can't see. The look is not just compassionate and empathetic. The look is followed by an act of healing. So it's not just love in theory, it's love in action. And so here's Pope Francis, and okay, I could have been anyone. And I am a sinner. It's in my nature to rebel against the Lord, out of my selfish will, but also because of my human weakness. And here's the Lord, he looks at me with mercy and compassion and with this love which is meant to call me to greater things. And now I'm the Pope. And praise the Lord Jesus Christ. But here's the thing, right? That look that's bestowed upon Pope Francis, that's the way that God looks at everyone. That's the way he looks at you. That's the way he looks at me. That's the way he looks at your friend and your neighbor and your enemy and that person you don't like.